We are going to have another video coming out. It's going to be a time-lapse video of us tearing down the patio, the overhang to the patio. It was time. All right. Hey, guys. Anson.
And Gladys.
Ivey, Twas, and Homestead.
And Yaya.
Hey.
So if he's here in the background, you know it's her.
Yeah, you can hear her in the background, which is all right. We are going to have another video coming out. It's going to be a time-lapse video of us tearing down the patio, the overhang to the patio. It was time. It needed to come down. It was rotten in a lot of places. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll see some of those pictures.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't follow us on Instagram, go check us out, and you'll be able to see some of those pictures. But today, Thankful Challenge from Simple Life Reclaimed. We are on day 7.
I think.
Day 7. Today's the 7th.
Yes.
So, baby, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for a good day. Today was a good day. As y'all know, I do suffer from fibromyalgia and some UCTD. A little bit of rheumatoid arthritis in there, along with lupus and scleroderma. But sometimes my fibromyalgia gets me. Days are tough sometimes to get up, but I still get up.
Those are all the biggest reasons why she's medically retired from the Navy.
But I get up no matter what. Even if it hurts, I'm up and going because my fear is that that I won't be able to get up and that I'll let it win. And no. But today was a good day. I was up and going. Pain is manageable.
Manageable.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But hey, you just got to take it a day at a time.
And I support her in the days that I do know that when she needs to rest, or sometimes, I'll know she'll go a little too hard, and she'll kind of overdo it. Yeah. And, I tell her, I was like, calm down a little bit because you're gonna regret it tomorrow.
Yeah.
But no, for the most part, she does really well.
Yeah.
And for today, what I am thankful for is being able to get over your fears. Or at least work with your fears. So one of the fears that I have, actually 2 big fears, is obviously a fear of falling. It's not necessarily being in a high place. Most people can go to high places. They just have that fear of falling from that high place. If I know that I'm secure and I know that if I was to fall, I'm not going to hurt myself, I'm perfectly fine. But whenever I have to work in a high place and there's a chance that I might or could possibly fall, I'm afraid. So today, with...
I was afraid for you today, just because some of the stuff up there was a little rot.
Yeah, because the overhang was rotten in a lot of places, so yeah, I really didn't want to get up there. I'm a big boy. I'm 266 pounds of awesomeness. She takes care of me. So, but yeah, is one of those getting up onto there because I know that it had to be done, and just getting over that fear. And the second one is spiders, right? I am deathly afraid of spiders, and I do know that there was many spiders all up and down that thing. I didn't really see any that I know to be poisonous. There was one that looked like a smaller, possibly a brown recluse. I don't know. It was brown and furry. I have dealt with those in the past, and I don't want to deal with them again. But no any other stuff like black widows or anything. Most of them are just like dead long legs or other types of spiders that I still don't want to deal with. But I got over my fear. I got up there. I got this stuff. Take it up. Come on over.
I can't come over.
You don't want to say hi?
Okay.
And show Piggy?
Yeah, they're gonna see you anyway.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Had a good day, and we had my mommy.
Yes.
You worked hard. What are you thankful for today?
Today I went truck.
Oh, okay.
You're thankful for the truck. Yeah, she got to play in the Ford today.
Yeah.
That's her truck.
The big Ford.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Let's say bye.
big truck's going to the shop soon, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to get it fixed.
Are you okay?
Yeah. We're okay.
No.
Oh, they are okay. They're watching us goofballs.
Yeah.
Can she talk?
They can talk.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll send us messages whenever they look at the video.
Can you play after you shower?
Yes,
Yes,
definitely.
we can play it after we shower.
She showered. We still haven't.
There's a spider in the hallway.
Okay.
There's a spider in the hallway.
There's a spider in the hallway.
Then we should go and catch it.
Come on.
Well, guys, that's my cue to get out of here. Y'all have fun.
And yeah, we'll go ahead and end it here. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give us a thumbs up and a share if you wouldn't mind. We'd definitely greatly appreciate it. We're almost to 1,000, y'all. That's pretty crazy.
Almost.
Come on,
Almost.
Mom.
Yeah.
But all right, we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Bye.
Later, y'all. And I actually almost forgot, but we also needed to do a shout out. So the shout out for today is going to be First Degree Forge. All right. So I'll have that link down in the description, and you guys can go check it out. All right. Thanks, y'all.